So we got a live trading video for you right over here. Let's get right into it. I'm not gonna waste your time. Selling some UJ. So let's get right into it, right? Looking on the daily time frame or bearish, as you can see, we're making clear lower lows and lower highs, as you can see here. Daily's overall bearish, 4 hour as well. We have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, equal highs, a new lower low, potentially lower high right over here. 4 hour bearish as well. So ideally, I should be looking for sales according to the daily and the 4 hour time frame. Just drop that to the 1 hour time frame just to see the structure that's happening inside this overall consolidation. So inside this consolidation, we have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a higher high, right? This high technically higher than this high, but I think this was just a liquidity grab for price to continue down. I don't think this higher high here is substantial to actually drive price all the way back up to fill in the rest of the imbalance. I think this was just a break from just of this overall equal lows over here to show that this is a range and anticipating price to come back down to the bottom of the range. So 1 hour is technically bullish, but we are under our 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, and we just took out this support level right over here in 1 hour. Right after that, I decided to take this fib tool, draw it from the highest point to the lowest point of this overall push. As you can see, actually I didn't do this push, I did this push here. As you can see, we have a rejection in this fib level, right? Looking at the rejection in this fib level as price pull back up into this area. If you extend this fib looking left, we have a level of support right over here, break and retest of this level of support as well. So shout out to the 5 minute time frame for entry. That's just telling me why that's just letting you know why I'm selling in this area. Looking on the 5 minute time frame, inside this 1 hour retracement, we have a higher highs and higher lows here. Higher low, higher high. Once we took out this low, this is where I decided to actually take my sell. I would have did stop loss above this high over here, but I feel like that was too aggressive. I wanted to do it above the overall fib. So this was the 618 area of the fib, so I did my stop loss slightly above that area. And then I have a 1-to-1 sitting right over here. And overall, I'm looking for price to come down into these lows down here for 1 to 2 risk to reward. Really, once I first entered, I went into some profit, came close to my TP1, then price pulled back and put me in some deep drawdown, almost stopping me out, but held the trade and got to see it through, right? So currently relatively close to entry right now, and I'll see y'all after TP1 or TP2 gets hit. TP1 hit. Add that as an alert. And yeah, I'll catch y'all at TP1. Alright, so we are back. As you can see, this first position that I took on this UJ trade breakdown just hit my first profit target. I am floating roughly $900 in profit on the day. I've been in this trade for about an hour now. I'm going to take partial profit, so I'm close to about $450 in profit and bringing the stops to break even just to manage my risk in this position. As I said before, I have a target down here at a 1 to 2 risk to reward at about 142.200, and because I'm taking half profit right now, once we hit that target, I'm gonna be up roughly 1700. No, I'm lying. 1350. And yeah, bro, that's it, bro. I'm gonna come back when I hit TP2 to do a trade update and how I decide to manage this trade. To be honest, if we aggressively tap into these levels down here and still end up closing below these bodies over here and closing below these wicks, I'll low-key be open to holding this trade a little longer below this level. As we look all the way left, we have more range to fill to the left hand side to fill in the rest of this imbalance. So if we could hold a little longer than that, then I would be open to holding until this low down here. But at the same time, one trade a day and a 1-to-1 is really the key to trading, bro. Like, you don't need to be hitting these crazy 1 to 5, 1 to 4 risk rewards just to make money in trading, bro. Cool, same setup, 1 trade a day and 1-to-1 risk reward with a decent size account, and you'll be good, bro. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'll catch y'all at TP2. Alright, chat, we back. I ended up taking a fucking nap, bro. I ain't gonna cap. But I ended up taking a nap when price was down here, about to hit my TP2. When price came all the way down here, I ended up chilling my stop loss and profit to this TP1 area because I didn't want price to reverse after coming this close to hitting TP2 and then take me out. Well, I already hit TP2. Actually, TP2 was at this 1 to 2 right over here. Ended up tapping TP2. This is where I decided to close, not close, trail my profit, trail my take profit to, trail my stop loss to end profit at TP2 in this whole full. I ended up getting taken out at TP1 for a 1-to-1 full because I closed full half here. And I'm getting taken out when price pulled back into this area. Closing, I think I made like 1K on this position, almost 1.1K. I'm gonna pop a screenshot up on at the end of the video. And overall, this is a good trade. Look at that. Looking at price now, we just come making some more equal lows. We make equal lows here, and then making more equal lows here. Then what's on the 50-minute time frame? And if you zoom out, looking on the hourly, we have these equal lows based off of these body structures here. These bodies are equal to these body closures, and now we get a reversal. So that's just a quick trade breakdown, man. It's your boy Traderholic. Quick live trade example, and it's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out, chat. Peace.